Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the hardware and boot media. First, check minimum specs and free disk space because insufficient resources stop installation. Once verified, back up your personal files to an external drive or cloud so you can restore them later. Next, create a bootable USB using the Media Creation tool or Rufus on another PC. Choose the correct 32 or 64-bit image. Make sure Secure Boot or BIOS settings allow USB booting. Then insert the drive and reboot to the installer. When the installer starts, you select Language, Time, and Keyboard, then click Install Now. This gets the process moving. If prompted, enter or skip the product key. You can activate later. Choose Custom for a clean install to avoid old issues, or Upgrade to keep apps and settings if compatible. Now manage partitions. Delete old Windows partitions and create a new primary or format the existing partition. The installer may create a system-reserved partition automatically. Once set, the installer copies files and begins first reboot. After the final reboot, you go through OOB, accept license, create a local or Microsoft account, and configure privacy and network options. Choose a PIN if you want faster sign-in. Once on the desktop, install chipset and GPU drivers, run Windows Update, and reinstall your apps and data. If something goes wrong and the system won't boot, make sure USB boot order is correct, temporarily disable Secure Boot, and verify your ISO integrity. These steps fix most installer and boot issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.